Bantu Radio Africa 83.6 la. Yebo sanibonana lapho kwiBantu Radio 83.6. Singena kanjalo ke uhlezi noBhexisa Jele lapha kumsakazo wenu nonke phela njengoba nebathandi balomsakazo weBantu Radio. Njengoba nazi nokuthi lesi stage sawonke ama hip hop artists asafufuza. Njalo manje ngizomdlalela ingoma ezimnandi phela nginiphathele zona zawo ama hip hop artists. Njengamanje ngizolandela abafana be-DM Top Movement. Ngizonibhekela nje ingoma yomsakazi lena ayicelile Manika A1. Listen up and enjoy.
Yeah, solo fish, yeah.
Midnight Hour Record.
Sure beats.
I cry every time, I cry every day. They struggle every day. Watch what I say. My mama don't like it that I cry every night. Fuck, we gon' get man die hustling. And my bro died hustling. Get rich or get keep out niggas, yeah. Niggas they be in no bag, A1. All of my niggas A1. All of my niggas A1. All of my niggas O1. All of my niggas O1. O1. All of my niggas ooh yeah. All of my niggas O1. All of my niggas O1. All of my niggas O1.
Medicine, yeah. I'm trying every time. There's too much pain. I ask myself, what happened to me? I'm on this side, cooking us some more. I'm in midnight hour, wake up. Tryna find out where my purpose went. Cause I do it for money. Zinc, I do it for money. Gang my mama phone resume go. Now all that. Gucci, hit it, zinc, hit it, bang then I'm on. Take the hitter, want me take off. Blue. Mama, where I'm tryna take you to the mall. Screw, now we boarding. All of my niggas away. A1.
That was my nigga Medicine Ghost.
Bantu Radio
I eat my ish and swallow my dish. I will pay my bills one day, not this. Nigga just look at my bitch, she fine, not this. I swear my dick, go eat that shit. I feel like this. One day I'ma get my way out of this, and I don't entertain hoes, don't give a fuck about a bitch. Haters want me down, now I'm up on my show. Processing all my dreams like a lion, I just eat. Prevented all the shit and I just circumcise my ear. Don't give a fuck about my fear, we on fire, you don't see us. We praise the most high, not the one who don't see us. I put it with an eye, nigga, off the religion. Yo, fuck the religion, ain't good to the rich. You get into temptations, yeah, you feel like a midget. Even if I'm out of fear, I never suffocated. I painted the picture perfect, you niggas, you wanna step in. My nigga, we are white, yeah, we ate it. Many niggas, haters wanna step in. Damn, if you're hating, now you're hating on a nigga cold ass. I'ma step in, I'ma kill you while you walking. This life ain't easy, facing problems and I'm eating pussy. Niggas thought this level in my soul, but now the soul don't lose it. I have the lucid dreams, I think I might just flip a movie. My life ain't easy when you're watching, you getting emotions. I'm to the chair, I'm just the king, I never get demoted. We know this gender based, the women are getting demolished. My women, the shit is demonic. I cut the pussy and train them to get into
my niggas don't quit in the fast life. I never mind, cause I'm glitching mind. They call me one trick mind. Elevation, that is what we call what you doing. I'm looking forward to the next phase, cause I'm moving. I'm also a person nigga, I got my own problems. I'm still a nigga and stars will shine bright. Jagged diamond is my first item, maybe it's my last item. Now I think I got on funny, so warm, it's my legacy. These haters been following me, you swear it with my tape. I'm moving silent talk, you never know what's my next move. I finally got the man and fame, funga gilukan. I suffer from a jealous cause I'm full mundunga pissed. I'm a got far bigger army cause they always got my back. It's like a simple war, but this war is within the whole niggas. Yeah, I'm within the
We came from the bottom to the top, it's elevation. All the songs think about us, man, we don't care. Cause everything we do elevated. Yeah, I said we elevated. Came from the bottom to the top, it's elevation. All the songs think about us, man, we don't care. Cause everything we do
Bantu Radio Africa 83.6
for no reason. The picture that you paint with your pen, it might be real. It come from your mind, inside your heart, something you feel. She was the only one with the gun, it was time to kill. Now it's real. They wrote the wrong names on the list, how it feels, dying for real. Niggas they die with no wills. How would you feel if you the one with no feelings, die with no illness? Lower your brains and start thinking about the old brothers, the old method for no reason. Am I sticking? Money is such a root of evil inside of the sin. That's where the money at, followed by a body bag. Good times ain't ending well, cause you were fucking possessed. If in your soul won't find a place to rest. If in your soul won't find a place to rest. Hey, if in your soul won't find a place to rest.
Yes, bafethu uyakuhamba kanjalo ke lapho kwiBantu Radio 83.6. Ya bafethu lapha ingoma bengindlalele zona lapha bengilandele EDM. Lapho bathi khona manika A1 kwasekulandela iYoung Destination, it's 7 option. Emva kwalokho kwasekulandela One Track Mind, Elevation. Ekugcineni ke lapho ngasengcina ngaye lapha uAce ethi Wrong Notes. Hamba kanjalo ke lapho kwiBantu Radio. Bafethu saqhubeka ke nomsakazo wethu omnandi esindlalela ingoma. Siyalandela ezinye ingoma ezikhona lapha kwiBantu Radio. Siniphathele nje new school, old school, hip hop, underground music. Yathemba ngizoyithakasela ke lolu hlelo lwethu lwanamhlanje.
Let's pour the liquor, time went so quick. You Washington, you would see she clock here. Yes, I'm a wish, I wish my gun get kicked. Indeed, to keep, but take shots get killed. It's a perfect picture, time waits for no man. It's a perfect figure. When I'm into woman, do the best feature, not disappoint me. I'm a blessed nigga, don't disappoint me. Most underrated, don't wreck niggas. Appreciated by the real niggas. And the music, get you my gay niggas. I don't stupid, so failing don't gayas. Satella my pretty sense of Russia, you repeat. Satella my hits is gonna struggle with the streets. Spatting and again, is very special and again. I wish to quit it, but I'm going to feel. I've been well in the game, my buzz your buzz of China, every is the name. Hey, I'm the fire, I'm the flame. When I rise, no easy, I share my pain. Hey, move on my way, don't forget to go down on your knees and pray. Hey, you just a fake it, but that's a story for another day and let go. Mdala bathi awubona impandla mabethatha amasonto bebhala ngithatha amabandla manje bazantsupilado sebengezela izandla abatholi icala ngophunyuka bemphethe ngidlula kulesi sikhala sebelula imkala bathi MLT kala vela iqala ngisanganisa amakhanda all about music isungadlula mothanda leke ngiyamaqanda isanganisa amangombe sedala sawa hlaba samusha igemini naligobi nini dumstupid this my friend wena hamba kini sikhomela ngamashows events emalini how about to feature cross kamalini siyadlala every day ngidlala engene how much you aim the music
on the move, I'ma clap his ass like boom. Nap his ass in the tomb. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. Gang bang in the hood. I'm strapped up with that loot. Catch a nigga on the move, I'ma clap his ass like boom. Nap his ass in the tomb. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves.
Gang bang in a hood. Andolivara ngiqonda straight angithatha ikhavu when I shoot. Wisusa nami senkinga entwana nginaswela mhlombe Cape Town. I'ma clap your ass like boom. Ile music ups angeke ulunge entwana ngishaya uppercuts like roll. Suke endlela entwana must go. Ahlangane nemi like road. Don't walk through the cook, smoke me, she ain't that zone. When it's in the nesikhathi intwana nginasikhathi uphela itembe phela uthando lwe-art like rap nami thatha sakho edit strategy. Gang bang in a hole, get your ass in the tomb. Take Each nigga in the move. My niggas hungry like wolves. 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 My niggas hungry like wolves.
Gang bang in the hood. I'm strapped up for that load. Catch a nigga on the move. I'ma clap his ass like boom. Nap his ass in the tomb. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. Wolves. Gang bang in the hood. I'm strapped up for that load. Catch a nigga on the move. I'ma clap his ass like boom. Nap his ass in the tomb. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. My niggas hungry like wolves. Stay hungry, we grimy guys. Turn robbery into a 9 to 5. Snatch your chain, cock the knife, put it in your spine. Nice bye. From time to time, we spill blood, make fly guys. Fuck with me, nigga, try. So I show the clipper, squeeze the trigger, laughing like ha. What you know about us in the hood? Whipping your tool, looking out for the loot. Robbing every fool you see on the move. Poverty in the hood.
Sula machi, ke phala ke strategy buga. Ngena gijima lesisikhaso kusaduka ngi. Phala ke strategy makazi kata ngekela kumlazi kazi ngekela makazi dope kazi sula machi, ke phala ke strategy buga. Ngena gijima lesisikhaso kusaduka ngi. Phala ke strategy makazi kata ngekela kumlazi kazi ngekela makazi dope kazi. Mina ngithule njengishaya isipani bathi delika. Somalumla uliqanti. Obathi mina anginandaba nama-fake push isipani sami ungagcwali ngamfutek lendaba yeni iyancika ngikhuluma ngami mase ngifika nathula lento iconverse kodwa nango-jack yaphasana ihleba ngami istyle sakho sivele sibhedlela buka mina ngifuke ngisha mara zakho nabangani bakho lendaba wena ungayithini ukuthi isengithule kakhulu mkhulu bangithule ngibuka khefa aze wanyathela emsileni and buka bingagingile bilambile abathi watch nice ikubuyele cause mina ngikheva isandla dlula ikhanda ngiyona impatha ngida mhlapha ngihlakaza amakhambi ngelekizela machi tephala ke strategy buka ngena gijima lesisikhathi sokusaduka ngiphala ke strategy makazi kata ngekela kumlazi kazi ngekela makazi dope
money game, don't talking shit. Shout it out if you don't know what to say. I'm on my money game, says I'm my everyday. Spot this pushy saga each and every day. I'm on my money game. I'm on my money game. I'm on my money game. Cave music on my money game. Cave music on my money game.
Why you act like you're not? Spreading holy flames like you're getting tested for drugs. I'm on my honey things, like I'm snitching for peas. I got chicks to frame. I be cooking Rambo chicken, I've been hustling every day, chasing paper like an acre. I'm just a taker, make you fidget like a midget. Are you hating on my shit, bro? Why you leaning on my dreams, bro? I make country with the chainsaw, make your limb spiral, make your spinal cord a vinyl, make you trip like a cheap diver. I am tied to like a not committing suicide. Cave music, let me do this, never intruded like an intervention. I start shit like I'm stuck in diarrhea. I am reefer, blunting my demons, making fidgets.
I'm on my money game, don't talking shit. Shout it out if you don't know what to say. I'm on my money game, says I'm my everyday. Spot this pushy saga each and every day. I'm on my money game. I'm on my money game.
Yeah, the Miss Fair.
I'm on my money game. Cave music on my money game.
Making me laugh, she come quick except for figures. Giving niggas shades when I'm counting mama divas. We created money makes the world go quicker. Yo, makes the booty go thicker. This is more deeper, believe seeker. Find the skippers, escalating, yeah we go steeper. You wonder why my pants sake, my pockets got bigger. Standing with the camera searching for a better picture. They say money is the root of all evil. I plant my seed, plus some trees upon eating. Take a bite on that apple, I know I'm forbidden. Harry K, we blow trees together lifted.
I'm on my money game, don't talking shit. Shout it out if you don't know what to say. I'm on my money game, says I'm my everyday. Spotties push it saga each and every day. I'm on my money game. I'm on my money game. I'm on my money game. Cave music on my money game. Cave music on my money game.
Man, great
Tell the bitches calm down, now press their bam, penetrate. No rules in this game only, this game only is strong. No rules in this game only, bitch, no piston on my head. Game only, don't pay bills. Tell the bitches calm down, now press their bam, penetrate. No rules in this game only, bitch, no game only is strong. No rules in this game only, bitch, no piston on my head. Game only, don't pay bills. She's talking like a bitch, time on me tryna get bags. I'm too stressed, never tryna grab my credit cards. I got the bills I have to pay, mommy's my priority. Bitch, never be sex there, rather catch them through the niggas use you as a fuel. I'm the rich, fuck the baddest predictions about me. Backs is knocking, they pick me down from bottom, now I'm riding. Keep my vacation in High Street. Niggas rapping like a rush. Welcome to my paradise, so like an angel. Living real life, don't suffocate with yellow clothes. Yellow is my twin, yellow is my testimony. Yellow is my therapy, yellow is my possession. Yellow is my peri-peri, yellow is my recipe. Yellow is my always show something diesel is on it. Come on, move my way, but shit profanity is on the room. Next air is blowing my face, it the bench is jumping so high, one off the. Tell the bitches calm down, now press their bam, penetrate. No rules in this game only is strong. No rules in this game only, bitch, no piston on my head. Game only, don't pay bills. Tell the bitches calm down, now press their bam, penetrate. No rules in this game only, bitch, no game only is strong. No rules in this game only, bitch, no piston on my head. Game only, don't pay bills. Game on, She chuckle too thick sometimes and end up being rest. Never ask me favors, bitch, you think I'm blind, I love a mission. She's stupid, says I never need somebody dress me up, I'm independent, walking over dawns and reach just all the shit. I'm number 2 in politics, like Zuma craving being government. Yes, I'm Spider-Man, okay. Make sure you keep my car. Tell I'm top to my city, I know them predictions. Driving straight like I'm bad, I don't need any press. Drowning swimming pool, yeah. She got the laugh until the house. Whip the asses, feeling till my road crisis. Yes, sir. Tell them bitches calm down, now press their bam, penetrate. No rules in this game only is strong. No rules in this game only, bitch, no piston on my head. Game only.
Africa to Jamaica, party through the night. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. Forever, yeah. Medicine. Party through the night. Forever, yeah. Flashing. I'm flashing the kush. I'm riding the kush. Smoking loud with my gang shit. I'm high like in Jamaica. I feel like I'm in the paradise. The chicks wanna around me and be high like me. Hey, so they can be hippie more like me. You chick want to fuck it. You smoking like a rasta, smashing like a rasta. We got so that's some coach. The police wanna arrest me cause they say I'm the influence my community. Hey, the niggas I'm back with the brain. I'm far coaching now. The greed on the table. Once for rich and put the million no risk. Nigga, smashing like a rasta. Gang with my niggas. Peace. We're gonna party to the night, it's hard. Come to the now, touch the sky. The guys in the house, it's alright. music now is well known. From Africa to Jamaica. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. Ha ha ha. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. Ha ha ha. From Africa to Jamaica, we're gonna party through the night. We're gonna party through the night. Ha ha. Forever, yeah. Forever, yeah. Party through the night. Forever, yeah. Forever, yeah. Party through the night.
I started my journey, going with Jenny. I'm crashing and rolling, smoking the skosh. Started my journey, going with Jenny. I'm crashing and rolling, smoking the skosh. I feel like I'm flying so high, jumping so high, I'm goofed so high. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel like so high.
Ban Radio. Yes. Yo, hey, I feel like smoking right now. Yo, bafethu yazikwazi wamnandi kule stage bafethu. Ingoma nje sengindlalele zona nje bafethu. Leku nje sihambe njalo nohlelo lwethu bafethu iBantu Radio 83.6 bafethu. Ngiyathemba ukuthi hayi nijabulile kwimanje lapho niyajuluka. Abanye bahlezi lapho ngiyazi kamabhemana ahlezi lapho ayayibhemela phela ukuyazi ukuthi lo music wethu mfethu neganja mfethu ngeke ngiqamba manga kuyahambisana mfethu. Lapho ngindlalele ingoma lapha ka MLD mfethu angiyazi ke kodwa isihloko sayo leya ngoma mfethu but indlela emnandi ngayo bafethu hayi ngichazile kwasekulandela lapho iCave Animal madoda Cave Animal ke bafethu ke lezo ke zami zamsukwane ke bafethu bathi lapho gang bang in a hood ngiyakutshela wena lapho kwasekulandela umlawuli dog ethi Majida lapho bafethu emva kwalokho kwasuzwa iCave Crew lapho ethi Money Game akade Money Game ayi bafethu ayi bayishayile le track bafethu nalomjito shayi hook bafethu ayi 12 bafethu ayi shit dope bafethu asambeni saniphathele the more music walapha kwi Bantu Radio 83.6 bafethu ayi radio bafethu ayi
Get physical, I pistol blaze. We cooking noodles like Minute Maid. We kill cats when the fire blaze. Send you sauce to another plane. Get physical, I pistol blaze. We cooking noodles like Minute Maid.
I've been gone for too long, now I'm back like expanded cord. You're a reflection of a broken mirror. Start of a kind of plane to degrade the finger service. I carry two skill and blazing spontaneous as if we're comparable as speed. House sneaker just stack in the building. MWC7 daddy over the building, ready to snipe you. I ain't got no respect for new school rappers. You came in this game with pregnant bitch attitude. Even your dress code just bitch appearance. When you get there with your crew, you feel like you're here. When you're doing so, this reveal that to nothing but zero. This is food for total manufacture because I've recognized fast stallion of stabbing on your face. Each and every motherfucker hit beef with. They consider me as a beef fit. My attack is enough with them like a power of death. I try to condition every motherfucker can touch me. With burn into ashes as if we touch you much on the MK. I'm warning you, don't try to act tough. Die in of age, you feel like I'm not. Situation is too tough. Lots of white flag nigga. I'm allergic to action that DJs crash on the commercial tribe.
Run nigga. We kill cats when the fire blaze. Run nigga. Send them souls to another plane. Run nigga. Get physical, I pistol blaze. Run nigga. We cooking noodles like Minute Maid. Run nigga. We kill cats when the fire blaze. Run nigga. Send them souls to another plane. Run nigga. Get physical, I pistol blaze. Run nigga. We cooking noodles like Minute Maid. Hey yo, kill cats with fire raps on the mic. I'm a devil, rebel who wreck it. I show cats without the metal. Give me a second, I'll have you walking with your face off. You in two with a bullet wound, a pistol. Seeing faggots passing off his wounds in the scene, dog. It's been a long time since I heard that dope bar on the radio. The message neglected by DJs on the daily, bro. When the hell this paper game gon' stop? Nowadays it's hard to get a deal, make a meal unless your ass getting drilled. I'm trying to see the real skill come back. None of this, my skinny jeans too tight for my nutsacks, dumb rap. This hip hop is hard, I think not. They flip flops, big clock, hitting all these disc jocks, asking for cash before they deck and get my shit dropped. Green threaded niggas, swag squeezing so strong it's hard to breathe. Ass niggas, pistol in his head, but I didn't see no brains leak after I do the beam ass nigga. Yo, I'm hip hop on an old stage, check the forte, closed arcade games I don't play. Words praise, my verse amaze, heavy paper chase, all about that state, embrace your lane. OG like Coolio, took these bars from the streets.
I started from the bottom, now I'm at the top. People claim me the NTS, my praying for my foes, but God didn't answer their prayers. What did they thought? They threw the towel cause it's been too long, hoping that I would flop. But I want my music top set on a loud mic, no silence but choice. I still see you wanna talk. Do this for my hood, this why I get love. For my block, I'm stepping out till I die. But I travel countrywide, that's why I get love. Even though when I'm out of town, I'm born king. That's why I'm not worried about nobody's crown. As long as I'm winning, yeah. And I did it. I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. I had faith in myself, so I didn't care if people didn't believe in me. I'm good as the underdog, cause that's the thing that made me wanna rise to the tops. Critics didn't break me, cause I made it. God MC, I see an unbeliever praising me, telling me that I'm the greatest, I'm the bravest, cause I never let anything intimidate me. Pay my dues, everybody know me in the street, so I'm not gonna do anything for free. Gotta pay the bills, got a mouth to feed. Been starving for a long time, it's now time for me to eat. Do this for my moms, do this for my pops, do this for my family, do this for my team, do this for my kids. Cause that's the only thing that have been encouraging me to win. Yeah. Told I'ma make it, told I'ma win. Yeah. Yeah. I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when. Yeah, I told it I'ma win, but these suckers didn't believe me. They keep asking me when.
I represent the endangered species. Walks all fake niggas eat my fishes. We live in the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces. I represent the endangered species. Walks all fake niggas eat my fishes. We live in the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces.
Taking my time, perfecting my skill, I sharpen like an arrow. I bless the mic with the raw metaphors. I'm singing with the hello. Stay shining over beats, live my life on the streets. Forever winning, cause losing it's optional. It's like a snake venom. Once you let it inside, it will get rid of you. GRX, I'm here to reinforce. Stay below my toes, speak round with the flows, breaking elements, absorbing auras of the craft masters. I'm having sense, I rap the type of rap that real rappers rap for. Hardcore, solo, underground, straight from a vocal cord. I put it in a compact disc, you deal with it. Or feel like an engineer in the control room, bang your head with it. I'm sick and insane, the combination of the two be the one and the same. I make device applying hit in the game. When the roofs are all bent up and the doors are off the hinges, you know who to blame.
I represent the endangered species. Walk tall, fake niggas eat my fishes. Live it the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces. I represent the endangered species. Walk tall, fake niggas eat my fishes. Live it the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces. Been through hell and back trying to find my way, but the way to finding my way is harder than it seems. I write rhymes and turn them into dreams. I'm in the studio, feeling like the new pack. Hands in my head, cause I'm thinking of a new line. It's my time, let the sun shine. Feel the sound from the speakers to your eardrums. I'm that nice, pure lyrical genius behind the microphone device. Tryna play the game, but it plays you twice. Stop hating, give the throne to the kings and start hailing. It's Road Nation, then I give the fuck about what. Still stand the motherfucker out. Give my soul to the music without selling out. That's it, I'm out. I represent the endangered species. Walk tall, fake niggas eat my fishes. We live in the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces. I represent the endangered species. Walk tall, fake niggas eat my fishes. We live in the night like I'm Mr. Ripley's. Bet your jaws drop when I spit my pieces.
My lines teach kids to this, I rebuild the confidence. The vibration of the stage is caused by powerful poetry I deliver. I make you pay the ransom if you analyze the anthem. This is art, vegetation the knots. Like a son of man, I walk above the sea level. 12 angels praying for humans to see heaven. I wrote my history with the big words, my corky pen is colorful. You the picture, you frame it, boo. The sky rockets and the sky nets. The blood vessels and the blood sample. The Buddha with the senses from my weed survive the devil's kitchen. Throw up kicks enough to fix the whole team. Call your crew, I call my crew. Let's call the oracle. We fight in the shade. I see my third eyes blind. Many of you has been disqualified. While I remain standing with the blood stains in my uniform.
Turn my mic on, I want to show the cats I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long, I'm still holding it down. Turn my mic on, I want to show the cats I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long, I'm still holding it down. Turn my mic on, I want to show the cats I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long, I'm still holding it down. Jacket! Mapioza crazy character, motherfucker, I'm in. I coquette in a parliament, I'm looking at parliament, get down, and then I put it up here. Why see? You get the left with the king as I can use a pendulum sex machine. All on the Zimzim on the Taza, and that's that. Within the physical punch, telling shot to a part on the balance. Discover the task. One time, petition, rap with a total simple Puran. I'm not a newcomer pop star. Hip hop, you can't always say stop the sentence. I'm not a house cat, I'm a street cat. When you get it, I send you the Kalimatang and my sister packets. The check will not Karopushi, we can't defend with Bundan. Sarazon Kamisa with the weather text. And open the third and the boss. It's a fourth and a second. Stabal is some rep. Like now, we're stuck in the gypsy. We're too young to bury me. Stuck out in your tools and let them kiss. Mapioki, we told that a dab. But the cool lumber, the bomb, and windows on. Penny's cut of hair, and now my side in the city. But was in the lowest words to tell them who tell you just speech out of man to no man to find a pen. I'm trying to feel up what people can and tell us the check off. We tell you who's your shy, only to find you such a care rap and then you will boom. We come out to blind, you see our kids to fuck my son, guys, young up Langan. Got out with Zangan. Lyrical pants to a level you're supposed to be in the stand up comedian. You sound like MC Versus. I'm on fire, so took shit, some rap metal in my friends. Turn on my phone, I want to show the cats I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long, I'm still holding it down. Turn my mic on, I want to show the cats I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long, I'm still holding it down.
10 on my phone. I want to show this cat I'm too strong. I've been struggling for too long. I'm still holding it down. Awusonza wayitholile ikhathelo amadlozi awuhlaba uhlezi uklinyo. Tshela unondinda wakho angabhayizela kimi ngizophenduka ikhwele ngizofaka ugwayi. Aphenduka ispam dish. Ngilapho ngisabisa ngomlilo wamaphepha ngoba masihlangane estradini akuyisadi. Uyakhomboza ngathi ubona inyoko enqulu. Esami start isipasta kushunga ukuthulo liphashisa umrapper njengemayodi. Amrapper bathi ngiyahlulela kufanele asibone ngazolisi. Ngiluza direction ngiyatantatha njengoshondini. Angisebenzi ngama MC alezi ngifast lane. Ngitheka inqola kajami. In my presence you have to pay attention. This is not a comedy session. When I'm there with amabela lengayo. Utshela ukuthi utsayithe ukhothi sopra wakho bayakuphakamisa. I don't give a fuck nge-MC working. Ngisho homeline I'm the really card homicide. Utshela ukuthi isex sakho siyadlisa uyaleka. Really card content yakho yahlanzisa. Unenqwaba yamaluzi showcase ngale usune-20. Before uze kwishow ishumisele ngenyamazana. Ledimoni imosi yamarap icele empunzini. Ngasondela kwihozoni abakolodayi. Phanhlani phume emlonyeni kuze kwasha ingama ukuthi wayisithondana. I'm on a dissing tip. I flip shit, I cause them shit to quit. Fuck baby them season. Those what shots happening phenomenon. Must start kill, put in the dead bag straight to the coffin. Once I'm by the house cat to ngamlinga the door DJ coffee. It's not some sasanga ni sister to saga left in spoga writing a company. I'm crazy character. Ngitabangi imeduli zivule kumsele njengesnake. When I uko job ukhothisa untanga umbanga ngini bakhoda njengejamu workflow. You talking shit behind my back you die slow.
Ban Radio Africa. Yes bafethu khamba kanjalo ke lapho emsakazweni wethu iBantu Radio Africa ufinyelela zonke izindawo ezilana eAfrica bafethu lapho benginiphathele ingoma ka Black Dead featuring MWC730 bathi run nigga leyo ngoma ilapha kwitape yakhe uBlack Dead iWoodfire emva kwalokho ngase ngizokulandela uChukuyeza ethi Amawin. After that ngaqhubeka ngazokulandela umfowethu laphana uVoke featuring GRX and Quicksand bethi Respect ngase ngizogcina ngaye ke lapha ke umfowethu uMWC730 ethi Warfare kwi-album yakhe lapha iReign of Terror ezamzukwana. Sacela ukuthi bafowethu ke ningahambi ke nihlale nje kanjalo emsakazweni wethu iBantu Radio. Sahamba njengamanje sayodayisa sathi shelele ey'tolo phela bafethu sibuye sithathe ikhefu ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibuye sithenge bafethu hlalani kanjalo ningahambi siyanithanda.
As South Africa's lowest price supermarket, we are making sure that your family has a Merry Christmas with Kumba Kumba savings like frozen beef liver, 22.99 per kg, Knorr packet soup assorted, buy 3 for 10 rand, and Huggies dry comfort nappies assorted, 109.99 each. That's why you could stand a chance to win a brand new fridge in South Africa's biggest fridge giveaway. There are 300 fridges to be won, so smarter to your kitchen this festive season.
Save money, live better, Cambridge Food.
The cup final is on the way. The ball goes to Hunter. And Grant Hamilton Gomez beats his man. Passes to Screw. And he shots a two. Since 1906, Kiwi Shoe Polish has been shining and protecting the shoes of Africa's most aspiring soccer stars.
Kiwi keeps your shoes protected for a long, long time.
How, Gogo? Can I help you with that? Oh.
This means more washing for your hair.
No, ma. With Omo, ungathi ngiwashisa u10 wonke wezandla.
Omo is so powerful, it's as good as having 10 hands to wash tough stains like oily sauces. Omo, with the power of 10 hands.
At Pick n Pay, we're inspired to save you money every single day.
Hi, good to see you again.
330 mils of apple grape or pear ties are only $5.99 each, saving you £2.50. Assorted pecan mallows now at $4.99 a pack, saving you £2. And assorted 150-gram Doritos only $6.79 each, saving you £1.20. Saving you money every day on all the best names in town. Pick n Pay. Prices inspired by you.
Ban Radio Africa. Yes, we're back once again lapho ke emsakazweni wethu phela iBantu Radio Africa ofinyelela kuzo zonke izindawo ezilane Africa kwi-Afrika yonkana bafowethu sithi sanibona kwabangenayo manje sithi wolo nomsakazo wethu iBantu Radio lapho sindlalela khona hip hop music underground ama-artist asafufuza makuthi nawe usanesifiso sokuthi usivakashele lapha nomsakazweni wethu ungeza uzosivakashela asinankinga si-interview special wona ama-artist ama-hip hop artist lawo safufusa siyawadinga ukuthi aze phela veze umsebenzi wabo bavuvezele phela abathandi abalandeli bawo umsakazi laba bonke nje abalaleli abancane ugogo umkhulu nezingane sambini bafethu saqhubeka nalo hlelo sindlalela sona izingoma ze-hip hop underground bafethu sahleli nayo ubhekisisatshele lapha kwiBantu Radio 83.6 Bantu Radio Africa 83.6
Yo, revelation, the truth, it goes like this. Yo, if you betray Jesus Christ but still go to church on Sunday, I'm gonna come and kill you inside the church in front of the preacher and hang you in a cross just like him, so that you be looked at like someone who got HIV positive results. I'm not trying to insult. The reason why you here is just that your mom was a slap. When I result, I humiliate and criminate all those illegitimate child. You wanna beg the steps of Great Wall of China? It took you so long. Your style is Hong Kong. It's like it's originated in Hong Kong. Don't try to be nomadic on your lyric. Go fuck yourself if you think you got a big dick sign. You better be wise. It's like the world right now is moving anti-clockwise. You can run but you can't hide. You can hide but you can't run. Don't you ever talk about gun, go buy gun, cause I kill MCs easy like a mosquito. Hasta la visto.
Yo, I'm here to kill. Your skill, I don't feel I do it proper. I don't cheat. If you cheat, I'm snapping him. I do it right, no faking it. I'm fire, I blaze. You gonna feel the heat. Hell, nigga, I'm a beast. Lyrics and beats, that's all I eat. Nigga, you gon' die when I rap a grind. You think you up, I'll bring you down. Cause you know that hip hop track. I fly like I'm in the sky. They call me Jack. Lot of speak lines that I rap. I ain't in a pool, so please don't bite. If you taking it right to my side, I'ma make you cry loud. I am best and I rap. Hip hop is dead. I'ma wake it up and move the crowd. When I change the flow, man, I rap a glow. I'm a slow poison. I'ma make you die slow. You gonna feel the flow. I always rock the show. Young rappers so feel alone.
Yo, check it. Yo, this the hip-hop pop for the life of the game. Options of a hostile, we going for last numbers. I was adopted, I was a monster aborted. I got a heart of a monster, make it hard for rappers to mess with my dignity. Flow back the riff, I shake the bars and sing the harmony. I'm just trying to beat the outcome. Gotta put an album. I start to spine and will never do. My name is Psycho. Before now, we pack the alcohol and smoke the weed and shot the beat. I'm out about slipping on my business. Tell it to the Jesus, we're running, we keep spinning. We hustle, we keep living this life. My heart losing your heart. No try for you, look with you. Yeah, my niggas laughing with music. Another level. You mess with me, you mess with devil. These rappers ready for sponsors. I'm the horror, but devil is the one I honor. Learn how to lean on the BC to grip. Pulling bobos again. We calling go my spec. We try for Pumelelu, hold the walls in a sled. I make a distribution, I pick you can go. I make them hot cause I can fight and I feel so kind. What the fuck is going on? Cause hip hop is my sign. You niggas acting stepfathers. Psycho.
Yo, here on the beats. Psycho, Raffets, and Historian. On this one, check it out.
Alright.
We out.
Pay homage. DK. Back page.
Bantu Radio Africa 83.6
Yeah. I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground. But what I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground. But I fuck your movement, rookie. I owe some bougie. Exclusive, don't amuse me. Straight bullshit. Love of hip hop, man, me to do this. To me, it's beyond the music. I improvise for improvement. I'm the true hack. This a part of boom bap, recital of true rap. Ancient cat to this new jack. Fakers be gone when the top notch is on the door. It ain't safe no more. Elasties, I kick, dismantle, minimus rip. Fuck rockin' show, I crash them most with stone flows. Medic, you already know I'm the meanest nigga that read the forbidden scripture, and this is it during Easter. Lyrical is classical, said that the empire we are the same. I'm an animal, the kind of right to get what on the mic, say what I like to anyone in any given time. Never lost a fight that is physical, neither lyrical. So fuck this in your face will need a fucking new paint when I hit it hard with the fucking iron palms. Don't decipher in ciphers, pay homage to Akapolan and DK. That's the legend, son. But what? Don't fuck around. Yeah. I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground. But what? I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground. But
I'm the blind man with the view. Come with the chemical shed, the shooter. I turn the first defeat into victory. Come, children, gather for the lessons of the arts of war. A soldier with a parable, pure plan, telling stories to loud listeners. They say silence is gold and the pin drop causes an earthquake. I close my eyes when I recite, visualize them as gullible rebellious dwelling in pagan, cycle contradicting themselves, except they will never care. Get it right, overstand, they talk tech, pretend every time. Pick the states of mind, dim the limelights. Let's run it raw, enter the back page and attack, get it back on the line. Discipline is the prize, and killing is a prime outcome. The werewolf soldiers howl at the moon as the hail is calm as passes by. What?
I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground. But what? I come with that funky, crazy style. Ultimate sound, brought to you by Intelligent One. Red phenomenon, holding it down for the underground.
Midnights, I lack the heavy melody, fellow. You will never be better than me. My vocal and my vocabulary is extraordinary and revolutionary. You fucked up, you look like a cartoon of a laughing baboon. The only thing you do best is to embrace hate. It's such a disgrace, you tell say I won't gossip or keep it as a secret. There's such a packets. I won't drop the hits, I am the hits. So the t-shirts of the heavyweights. You can't fit, give me that mic. You don't even deserve the beats. You don't spit, you vomit. I won't punch lines, I punch you in the face to prove that action speaks louder than words. I am vicious, I confuse minds like mathematical theorem of Pythagoras. If we're the real lyricist, we are on the same boots. But you the packets, you better be crying and die crying like a ghost. People watching you, but not helping you. I'm not threatening you right now. It's like you're busy changing nappies of the baby you claim to be your daughter. Irritates and hates when there is the need of hate. I don't hesitate to say you weak. I fluently speak English. I start and finish all the work rappers in front of my eyes until they get on the boat knees and say, historian, please. I came up with a great gangster attitude of disappointing happy couples on the days of a Valentine's Day, nigga. I do what I gotta do and say what I gotta say.
Shut the fuck up, little man, that's a grown man speak. I speak real shit from them to my daughter, don't give a shit how you feel. Bars I wrote in the death sentence when I call to parts. You wrote in the dungeon cell, this is blood rap. I leave you swimming in your black tissue, the blink of an eye. I crash any cocky ass nigga tryna fight me and finish him like a lifeline. Things are bad nigga, when guns are thrown I leave you still family, that's sleeping for good nigga. Your image is disgusting, you claim to be a dead head because you like hygiene. I'm always in a position of fire, I'm in made. If I can die without to kill my enemy, there should be a dead penalty. Don't call me die hard for nothing, I live and die for my sin. I drop my shit like a hand grenade. Who the fuck are you think you can extinguish the hellfire I spit? I'm a street cat, corrupted and crooked. I follow my straight dream using a mind map, motherfucker.
Yeah, oh. Dope movement, entertainment, yeah. Okay. Midnight. Pull up on the nigga fizzing. Gotta put the veins in my veins. Quick change, chopstick, then I'm out. Put it in nigga like I'm the MC. I am my sister, the king. Put it in for my country, I'm a map. Tip it, put money in my song. I am talking money. Pull up on the nigga fizzing. Gotta put the veins in my veins. Quick change, chopstick, then I'm out. Killing this nigga like I'm the MC. I am my sister, the king. Put it in for my country, I'm a map. Tip it, put my money in my song. I am talking money. Woo. Red headers on my dick, brown hands smelly dick. Where to find the KO? I'm natural life goes, but all the souls on mount. But all my niggas fight dog. The B on my list, let me check the type for 8 goals. She says she first got me boy, I can keep the cheap by no risk. I don't have one, just make one. Finish it today on me, dog. Deep bleeding cause from my dog. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours and they talk on me. Yeah, show love, dog. The fake niggas we right now. Hustle, that's my business. Don't make my heart cool, girl. Shine deep, that's my capacity. Expect me more, yeah. Millions my nigga, yeah. Million my beat, yeah. Millions on my bag, yeah. Kick it, chase me, no. I was on chasing it. Solo fish could have win, yeah. There no could have sing. Plan flex, then I'm done. Red pen, then I'm out. Take that till I die. 8488 tryna stay cold. Treat it coming for yo. Need no stress so whoa. Treat it even for fold. DP on red carpet. Brother play cause I'm sorry freaking. Time minute don't be late. Life travel cost to create a old me though. Pull up on the niggas freezing. Gotta put the veins in my veins. Quick chain, tough dick, then I'm out. Killing the nigga like I'm DMC. I am my sister, the king. Kill it in for my country, I'm a map. DPE for my money, I'm a song. I ain't talking money. Put up on the niggas freezing. Gotta put the veins in my veins. Quick chain, tough dick, then I'm out. Killing the nigga like I'm a DMC. I am my sister, the king. Kill it in for my country, I'm a map. DPE for my money, I'm a song. I ain't talking money.
I didn't know this I can't say. I was playing for the try. This you must know this I'm from, kid. And I make this I'm from, kid. Cause I get a full of hustlers. They prove hustle, they are formalist. My mama work hard for me. That's a big coming quick one thing. She told me one thing that I must respect. To respect the people who are raising me, who are care and love me. I'm talking about the people who are fighting for my future to be bright one day. Hey. I made a place who show me right way to go. That's my name, solo fish. We chase my dreams, we pave the way. I just put my sins on my shirt and I ask the Lord to show me the right way to go.
Ban Radio, Africa, 1835, Yo, midnight hour.
You in the midst of a local cat, lousy soldier where my dog's at. I'll put the arm on his face like he tryna dab. Never sober fam, we sit the can, drink the bottle to the bottom, then crack it overhead. Minds in darkness, even when the sky is sunny. Women stay fly for free alcohol. You ain't got clippers fade away like a barbershop. Niggas in my block never scream fuck the cops. They just push bribes and keep grinding hard. Guns never empty like a promise from the president's heart. They get you clipped faster than a woman with a selfie stick. It's all about survival. Do what you gotta do and get what you gotta get. Stay fresh, do inside. We a hella mess, hella stress building from trying to get money from the street business. Government ain't supplying a thing, so we make moves without thinking. Little niggas not bridging, cause daddy wasn't there to show him life lessons.
Hood fire, hood fire. Hood fire, hood fire. Hood fire, hood fire. Hood fire, hood fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Forever ride like a street soldier. Pass that human meat over. I haven't had shit to eat for 40 days and 40 nights. On the concrete, rats weren't the perfect feast for me, so I had to leave him deceased and rotted. The mental disease, I got it. To eliminate enemies, effectively infecting them with leprosy. Just be a small tendency to what I'ma do to them. Screwdriver to the knapsacks, now I'm screwing them. Maneuver quick to the exit when I appear. The devil is near, the devil is here. Watch out the devil, Black Death wanna battle, cause he don't know the meaning of fear. Fly comebacks like hitting poly pussy from the rear. Yeah.
Hood fire, hood fire. Hood fire, hood fire. Hood fire, hood fire.
This is the last one. Ban Radio, Africa, 1835, Auditory alphabet I spell nigga. I declare war, I'm sick twisted. You're swing my fist and drink a fucking joke. In a with him warrior, I fight against visit me once in a cave. So survive with darkness. West school nigga running your mouth like bitches. I'll squeeze your throats and put you in silence. And beat your head with both palms of my head. And put your scars in pieces. Fuck the law, I'm ruthless nigga. Smoke weed and grip high. Swing get a lifestyle. Keep up to me like a truck edition. I make you run away from your life and leave your peace behind. And get bullets on your spine. I still hang on the street nigga. Nothing freak me out. House nigga don't tryna act tough. You old fucking nigga you trust. You old protein in a flower in your grave. I'm a cold-hearted nigga who pull a trigger to damage your heart and liver. Last bullet on your brain. You can't target that, my bullets won't miss you. You're easy target. You be counted with niggas in caskets. If you don't mind your step, we kick the bucket. Do it come in the gun barrel with open arms. I wanna see you resurrect if you got no life. Outdraw steel magnets, can cackets, squeeze you be dead if you tryna cross me on the street. Outdraw your body in deep canyon. Your family don't find a peace of mind. I'll change your dream to be a nightmare. And if you niggas are sleeping on the mindset, I will be up with the barrel of your gun in your face. It's MWC7 dead nigga. I don't fight fair. If you are wrong, I'm right here. Yeah, nigga. States of horrific. What up? The last generation of the underground king, nigga. Respect, yeah. What up, nigga? It's midnight hour record. Yeah. History where you at, my nigga. Yeah? It's me, my nigga. MWC730. You know, up in the booth. Business shit, you know. Please, we live in this life. This is our life we live, you know. No matter what. Yeah. Salute, man. We out of this shit, nigga. Nigga, we keep sleeping.
I can see all the haters. This world is full of heartbreakers. They ain't nothing but full of jealous. They have destroyed what made us. I can see all the haters. This world is full of heartbreakers. They ain't nothing but full of jealous. They have destroyed what made us. If I could run away, what if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again. If I could run away, what if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again if I could run.
Midnight rock clock at the airport. Give me a phone call if we get lost. I'll be there, meet me there. Come like a cheese and my passport. I'm going away, can't you get that? Where my heart at? Should have packed that. Now it's win or lose situation. Me and Killer P, we international. So I gotta go, though I love you. I'll put the woman above you. I'll be back. Believe that if I fall, nah, just leave that. If I'm gonna go, it's gotta be today. Girl, I can't stay. I'm going away. I'm going away. Hey.
If I could run away, what if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again. If I could run away, what if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again if I could run.
I don't wanna go, but I gotta run. Feel like slow and they like it fun. Girl, I'm a dream, I'm all about the span. Call me a win, cause I'm a number one. Guys like me, live freestyle. But baby, I see you on the flip side. Dala besu, banya bestomel. I'm not a dala, but I'm on holel. If I could run, be a cornbreak. But my music is more like my soulmate. When you're lonely, you can call me my one and only. The one who know me, when I call right. But it's alright, only take to run to get to see the sun. And if I fall, I pick myself up and run again. Away from pain.
Run away. What if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again. If I could run away, what if I got this chance today? And if I fall, it's okay. I'm gonna pick myself up and run again. If I could run, if I could run.
Ban Radio Africa 18 to be 46 now. yes akunjalo nje bafowethu akuyashisa kulowo msakazo bafowethu wethu iBantu Radio Africa ofinyelela kuzo zonke indawo lana eAfrica bafowethu ya lapho ke ingoma sengindlalele zona njengamanje bengikulandele uHistorian featuring Rough Cat and Psycho Betty Battlefield emva kwalokho ngase ngizokulandela uKD featuring DK and Backpage but I come with the crazy funky style emva kwalokho ngase ngikulandela i-State of Horrific lapha kwi-tape yabo i-State of Horrific promo but i-Anger emva kwalokho ngase ngizokulandela i-Dope Movement lapha kwi-tape yabo isanda kuphuma i-Broken Tape and isihloko sengoma i-Broken Tape emva kwalokho ke mfethu ngase ngizokulandela lapha umfethu uBlack Death lapha kule album yakhe asayenza mfethu i-Good Fire and same naye futhi igama le track i-Good Fire and emva kwalokho ngase ngizokulandela uMWC 730 lapha na kwi-track yakhe i-promo la epromoter khona i-Midnight Hour Record i-studio asebenza kuso ke lapho ekugcineni ngase ngizogcina ngoCareful featuring Killer B Mawaza ethi If I Could Run ya bafethu izinto zihamba kanjalo bafethu asiqhubeke nje kanjalo lapha kumsakazo wethu iBantu Radio silalele nje bafethu siphe uthando nathi sinika lona bafethu lapho kwi-station sethu se-underground music hip hop. This is about throwback hip hop music nokuthi sikhulisa artist bafethu asafufusa bafethu la emsakazweni wethu bafethu ukuthi sinivakashele siyanimema bafethu sithi uzane kwiBantu Radio sahleli nayo ubhekisisa jele la emsakazweni bafethu. Okay bafethu saqhubeka sindlalele ingoma bafethu sekhona iningi ingoma esondlalela zonke simphathele nje amanoni akhona la kwi-underground ya bafethu sam Bantu Radio Africa 83.6
Uthando mawunde mani kanti kunjani emhlabeni Uthanda sekho uthando mawunde mani awufikeli inhliziyo yakho wena ongani 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 mani asuthanda naqiniso emhlabeni uthanda umuntu yena thanda omunye unika inhliziyo yakho yena thanda imali ithi filela inhliziyo yakho wena lesizulu siyasho sithi amathaga amathaga ahlathela bangena amabhodwe wena ithi filela ithi filela ithi filela ithi filela anti kunjani emhlabeni uthanda sekho uthando mawunde mani kanti kunjani emhlabeni uthanda sekho uthando mawunde mani awufikeli inhliziyo yakho wena ongani mani awufikeli inhliziyo yakho wena ongani mani kanti kunjani emhlabeni uthanda sekho uthando mawunde mani kanti kunjani emhlabeni uthanda sekho uthando mawunde mani
I'm sorry, Donna. I'm sorry. Hey,
angiphiki isithando sami kuhlukumezile physically and emotionally yangiyavuma ngikwenzile gave me your love your time ngakunikeza i-torch you had it good for me ngakuphoxa thando ngalimosha now I'm sitting all alone bheke phansi ngesola ngoba ngazi kahle njenganawe ngisoze ngamthola bungifudumeza mangigodola ungiphi ithemba ngisokola mankulu ungiphi uthando like the one you see in movies ahlulwe give up back instead akushiya nama-proses hambe ebusuku ngibuye ngiphosile fonela ama-groupies waringa ifoni yakho ngi-twitter raf ngiyabuza who's this ngidlala ama-insecurities actor like a stupid ngiseve imizwa yami ubhize yakhe ilonge neglect anqabela uye banganeni bakhe jabulo yakhe reject manje ngiyaregreta ngifise ngathi isikhathi ka-reverse ngilungisa iy'nto zami focus ekumina nama-call zami cause uyazi kumina you were more than nje intombi yami luza wena selefins ungenza ngiphelelwe amandla but I should have thought about it before ngize kubeka isandla manje sengikhulile fundile the storm is over these words are from my heart please believe me baby cause I'm sorry Dwana ngolele yalboni utsalam I'm sorry Dwana ngolele yalboni utsalam I'm sorry ngiyaxolisa ngokukuthathisa ngezinto ebengi-assume ngicontrola ngikhethisa nalelo phutha ngelivuma manje clear bengamele ngiwalelela ama-rumors I shouldn't have let the alcohol get into us I'm not trying to shift the blame but with my sober mind things wouldn't be the same cause it's a fact that you love it from head to toe now you got another man it's so sad to know cause you were my love my wife my true partner in life I really miss your tenderness without you mtana go tough I'm not gonna pretend as if I'm over you ngiyawabona amaphutha mfuna ukwasolva too noma ngathiwa sibuyelana loko mntwana kusa okay funa kube noxolo like back in the old days it's true you don't know what you got until it's gone forgive me for my ignorance I was just a boy manje sengikhulile fundile the storm is over these words are from my heart please believe me baby cause I'm sorry yalboni utsalam I'm sorry Dwana I'm sorry.
Hey, yo. You know sometimes I used to call you something wrong, and that is
Ban Radio Africa 83.6
Love is so powerful, you know. You better listen. You better listen. I wanna marry you, please say yes you do. I promise I'll always be with you. I'm truly in love with you, I wanna be with you, forever be with you. All I need is you, I wanna marry you, please say yes you do. I promise I'll always be with you. I'm truly in love with you, I wanna be with you, forever be with you. Having someone like you in my life, it's a blessing, you're beautiful and amazing. They used to say beauty's in the eyes of beholder. If you need something to cry on, yeah, welcome to my shoulder. So many ladies, so little time, but you're the one that I've chosen. If I can get on my knee and ask you, would you marry me, please? Let us be husband and wife. Make me a father, get me a firstborn child, and having family for our whole entire life. Please say yes you do. I swear I will never walk behind your back and cheat on you. You having conscience and kindness, I will never take it as weakness. Sometimes I realize I'm falling something strongful, and you're the one to make me rise. You're beautiful in my eyes. Behind the wise men, there must be a brave woman. You're so supportive, so no more doing silly things. Ever since you came in my life, now I'm responsive because of you. Some other qualities that makes me love you. It's so intelligent and self-confident. I'm so proud of you. You make me promise the promise, and I promise you I will never make the broken promises. You really show me what really love is. You're my soulmate, and I'm desperate. Wanna be with you until death till us apart. I'm not lying on you when I'm saying idioms like saying you stood my heart. Those are the ways of wisdom. Marry you, please say yes you do. I promise I'll always be with you. I'm truly in love with you. I wanna be with you, forever be with you. All I need is you. I wanna marry you. Please say yes you do.
Mina ngiyathanda ngabe ngithanda ngakuthanda cause ngithanda ngempela ngizokuthanda ngithanda ngathanda ngithanda long time isana yilo uthando yeah Luthando monothando phela Yalandela uthando phela uthanda kwenomhlaba ngeke kuse yakhe intando vela manga leluthando kuse munye nje intando ngoba ufuna control uthando zenzo ziyala kuthando trust yaqinisa uthanda manga yalibhidliza uthando chiste kodwa kumnandi bothando be honest leyo page foundation uthando inhliziyo mayigcwele uthando lezo zenza uthando menze nalo kwenza uthando noma ungekho wajabule yaza kubulele uthando Thanda umuntu okuthanda yubacole lapha kuzondayo Veza uthando nalo ube straight kwabakuqondayo ndikuyenze Ube blind kwabalibona sometimes uyahleka Ube kukhona abakhalayo Ahlezi kumnandi khona ngisheli bakhaka Yungashaba ikhaza usengathona ukuthanda oluvithayo Uze ungagandi ngothando khona basafisa umshado Ungahamba manga ngothando dajikiso lihamba Qala ngokuthanda wena ukuze nabanye bakuthande Cause akekho zokuthanda ukudlula wena qala manje uthande Ubemba uthando Uvimbizwe neningi bazokhuluma kodwa wena nje kungaphiki neningi Listen to your heart ngenhliziyo sengafunda okuningi Bazokudonsela phansi abantu bansini ube sini Wena thanda mothanda ngempela sharp Ungabathanda bonke but there is always one Lover of your life Why ungabi shy Izinto ziyafika wena qina don't you cry Phindela kuyena loyo muntu when please try To fix your things up and you know why There's always be one do or die Sometimes inhliziyo ayixoleli and the time is flying The love is genius, the love is serious The love is curious, the love is furious The love is dangerous, the love emotional The love is scandal, sometimes it's suicide Kuthanda kumnandi, kuthanda kubuhlungu Kuthanda uyakhala, kuthanda uyajabula Kuthanda uyaphila, kuthanda uyagula Kuthanda is good, kuthanda unamamula Only one heart can love one person Udalela umuntu oyedwa kwezwa kwabanye it's sin Avoida ama-side chick eza nama-problem Bekubathande bonke ntwana kuzoleka to show them The love is in the air, the love is everywhere The love is over there and right here The love situation
Bano Radio Africa 18
Gates of horrific
midnight hour.
Yeah. Check it. This goes out to my mom who gave me bad life. I was warm from my home, but now I'm getting cold. You left me alone in this world with no shelter in my soul. Now I'm getting frozen. Every time when I think about you, they figure out sis, cause I never thought to rest in peace. I never get a chance to rest cause I'm willing to achieve my goal. But there's nothing coming true. But still angilahli December kodwa seria ukushabala lezi minyaka ihamba isondele insuku zokumedelela ehlaza. Angikusola ukungetha wakhe emhlabeni isipho sakhe sivela kumvenqanga. When I'm dead and gone, my mama wanna be next to you. Maybe I'll rest in peace. You be always in my heart, my mama got love for you. Sometimes I wish the day when I was born and then your arms like Nancy Jones. Life is full of surprises. I've been trying so hard to be successful, but it seems like I never tried. I'm living pain, my heart beat from the grave. I feel like I'm exhausted by thousands of people. My biological father was a bull-headed, but I don't mean I hate you about it. Although I was born under domestic violence. Rest in peace, my parents. Now I understand it's a gift from God to be off and I'm starting to pay that who'll be there for me. Mhla is to be slow and on pavement. Only God knows who's watching over. In this life I live, there's nothing sweet. Fuck it, I don't get the essence of living. Joy come once in a lifetime. You left me with skies of pain in my heart. God put your light in my way to shine. Yes. I've lost in parts of my life. Yeah, the one who occupies huge space in my heart. We live and die, that's another part of life. Full of surprises, my heart is broken. Heal me, God angel, in this world we live in. Sometimes I feel like I'm an adopted kid by aggressive parents. It's getting worse when I'm ill. That's why I choose to hustle on the street corner where I get money, I can corner shop. I earn a living, pull umthetho ukuze ngithole ngeswini. Some relative aweshaye indaba indaba yami. Abantu abanendaba nami kuzona ngishihlo zami kodwa siya ngokubangcono impilo yami. Okubuhlungu ukuthi ngisanesifiso sokuze isandla somzali ngithole imfudumale lethi inyembezi zenjabulo. Usanomzali uyajabula kamphathi ngekhali zamantungu. Bathi indoda ayikhali. That's why I keep it yoshula ngaphakathi instead of my tears. I guess you got your hooks in me like OJs. I think about 2 old days since ngiyokubeka emandleni ahlaza endlini yakho yokugcina bathi ngale kwethuna khona uJesu ngaranda ngaze ngakhathala ngithi ngifuna umphathisa umyalezo sengigcina ngumthandaza ngazi uyafinyelela but still I will never give up together no man and pray kunamazwi ahleze ngiduduza athi umvenqanga kakunika umzimba omngaphezu kwamandla only to find it too hard to survive nendlela ebumnandi enayihamba la uthanda khona ngihlezi ngiremind isinye ngavunza ukuthi sibusisiwe ngoba kusangiphumanga nge-abortion like those stupid women who brainwashed by the system you give me bad for the reason ukube kwakungenjalo uzongidrop in the orphanage in our days new generation doesn't respect their parents are fed tight so on my sibling imiyalelo eyishumi survive I ain't saying this for the sake of yes yabafethu akuhamba kanjalo bafethu sancenga nje lesidonsile nje bafethu ngiyambendeka la yini mfethu kulama hour esibafethu kulolu hlelo lethu le hip hop underground music artist bafethu ayisahamba siphile sithi kumshalele eyidolo bafethu phela sibe sidayise sithi kuyogwinyamathe bafethu siyabuya hlala kanjalo nje mfethu ungayindawo ungawushintsha umsakazi wakho bafethu.
South Africa's biggest food subsidy is now on at ShopRite. We're putting 50 million rand back into the price of basic foods. Get our freshly baked brown bread for only 5 rand. Bright brand baked beans only 6 rand. Rama spread for bread at just 10 rand. Lucky Star canned pilchards only 15 rand. Wheat Bix cereal for just 17 rand. Tastic rice only 50 rand. White Star Super Maize Meal at only 60 rand. And Huggies nappies for a low 140 rand. Only at ShopRite.
Change.
The enamel on milk teeth is 50% thinner than adult teeth. That's why kids' teeth need special care at every stage of their development to protect little teeth and strengthen big teeth to overcome the threat of sugar. Help kids' teeth grow up strong every step of the way with Aquafresh Kids Toothpastes.
Today is a new day, so tell me, what are you gonna do? Gonna get up nice and early. Louder, louder. Gonna catch a spread down bite. Try until I get it right. Oh, what are you gonna do? Make my dreams come true. Start something new. Gonna grate, drip, grill, ride, tear, mop, lick, bite. Enjoy every slice. Life tastes great. That's gonna work. Enjoy every slice.
The cup final is on the way. The ball goes to Hunter. And Gaetano Zongole beats his man. Passes to Shoes. And he shoots a
Since 1906, Kiwi Shoe Polish has been shining and protecting the shoes of Africa's most aspiring soccer stars.
Kiwi keeps your shoes protected for a long, long time.
Ya bafethu sesibuyile ke bafethu ke ya semnandi kunjalo bafethu sisaqhubeka bafethu noma sesiya ngakhona ekupheleni bafethu isikhathi sesidliwe yinto bafethu ke yo right before siyayitolo ke bafethu ke bengindlalele ke ama track ngicabanga ukuthi L5 lama track engidlalele yona bengilandele lapha umfowethu bani ujile ogili I don't know something like that angazi phela ukuthi bayibiza kanjani ama MC ethi lapha vikela emva kwalokho ngasengiza no Khafu ethi I'm sorry emva kwalokho ka Khafu ngasengiza nobani ngaphinda ngeza nanje lapho mfethu historian ethi all I need is you lapho bengisadlala nje ithe ukuthi mfethu ayithambe kuba phela mfethu nothando nalo mfethu into bafethu esinayo bafethu ngeke siqamba manga mfethu uthando mfethu into efunekayo ebalekile emva kwalokho ke bafethu bangisakhuluma ngothando ngizenge track lapha ka MLD ethi uthando angizwe nje yonke into is all about love siyayithanda hip hop siyabathanda nabomndeni bethu bafethu ya into enhle leyo bafethu egcineni ngasengiza ngayo uMW730 ethi part of life naye ingoma ibikhuluma ngayo into emayelana nothando kuba like iqhumana naye umzali mangithi ngezwe izinto ezikanjalo mfethu mangithi ngiyalalesisa bafethu hayi bafethu ngidlala sengizondlalela ingoma nje zokugcina ke bafethu hayi bese ngiyavalelisa bafethu ngithi bekumnandi sisonke bafethu sizophinde sibonane bafethu ake silalele nazi ingoma ngizodlalela zona zokugcina bafethu ke hayi
Mine is just a piece of paper and a coin. They used to say money makes the world go round. Do you think so? Money is the root of all evil and deceiving, and I'm 100% sure. Money comes, money goes. Money is the reason why there is the rich and the poor. You have money, save money, or wisely spend money. You can say it's with a price. This is my pocket money, but you get it twisted. You don't know this. Money brings a lot of changes, more than industrial revolution. Cause money is the reason why there's no solution for corruption. We all love money, but they say love of money is the root of sin. Does that mean we all the sinners? You have money you can buy, but you can't buy love and life. It feels bad to be bankrupt and broke, and there's nothing feels good than having a lot of money, but more money, more fake friends and enemies.
In our days, the art is over money. The roots of envy, they sacrifice to get richer. The president, disgrace where is full of sorrow. Be a witness. In our days, the art is over money. The roots of envy, they sacrifice to get richer. The president, disgrace where is full of sorrow. Be a witness.
Nigga nilunge bafana Sike kutina singena ngekan Step on the stage sitopa mabasi Kukawoti kati now it's our time Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Nigga nilunge bafana Sike kutina singena ngekan Step on the stage sitopa mabasi Kukawoti kati now it's our time Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre
When I push behind bars like a dope case, so have you backing down from a guard like a throw cape. Flow laced at a slow pace, like cocaine mixed in a propane. Get a box after every full stop on the slow space. Lyrical cynical syllables, for your blood mineral, the third picture with my mind. Sharpen up to cut your tongue, book the rap pinnacle. Hit the exit, I fight and execute when shit gets physical. These fists like weapons that'll leave a roof, sicking in your name is cool. The mission was written, heavy spitting, leave a dome sitting as wood. That's what I'm whipping in the kitchen. Who's writing, who's bitching for an animalistic killing? I've been itching forever, animal martial like so. Beatles striking you, each other this suicidal cannibal.
Nigga nilunge bafana Sike kutina singena ngekan Step on the stage sitopa mabasi Kukawoti kati now it's our time Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Nigga nilunge bafana Sike kutina singena ngekan Step on the stage sitopa mabasi Kukawoti kati now it's our time Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre Soni bulala ngeketre.
You talking brackets, how dare you say you're the man? Can't you tell this is the level? You claim you got moves, you can't dance with the devil. I heard you write up for passion. These rappers looking like actors. I write the message then I pass the step in the side, but this shit is embarrassing. Shit, man, we passing, shit is happening. I won't carry your shit like a surrogate. Money talks, you don't say shit. I got the herb elevated. The trap is lost, try to pace it. I ain't even gotta say shit. They hit me up, hold me very late. And I ain't even tryna be the favorite. In the booth, I'm my nigga chunks. Straight away, I'm gonna cheat him lost. K the section, if you fool was. Figure out a cute gonna shine spot. Kalo razo, but kalangi block. She ain't back to Luma.
I'm a rapper, I am pretender. AK music, se venda. We don't want my paper, self-perfector. Self-perfector, all together. I'm a rapper, I'm a flex. 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 Isikhotheni umdala webhemeli foolish Ifambu ngayikalaza amadala ngidala imomish Mafuna ukhipha istress ngihlala phansi ngidla iyobisi Ngikhohlele inhlupheko nenyembezi ehamba nosini Impilo mayizima ngiquqe ngedolo ngicele enkosini Ngihlisa impepho ngibiza abadala ngiyanxusa edosini Ngikhipha isinyama ngicele nokukhanya ngayisole eshayivini Andiyona impangapanga ungibheke kahle gcwala 17 Ngimdala kule game ngile soshe sababa empini Phethe umkhungulo ubhekele inyoni ngithule emsini Ngumafovuke njengojesu wasebhebhelini Ngithanda ishasha leso screen esibizwa ngenkatini Bathi ngiyakhula have a dream ngisenza uMartin Luther Ngifuna imali ngilona indiya ngefane nokuza Uba nongazi ukuthi impilo vele ikho lula Ngiyafuduka kusenethemba impilo kakhulu
I-PIT wena saka yash ngile nje namandla ngile nje nolaka kaba Faku forward and ngine-focus angifuna mina ngizongithola eKevin ezintsha zihambawa nigga yazi uzoyikhatha ne-MC yi-dog boy nama-cold flows and the-work bro mina ngile njene-style esi-dope bro ngihlale ngedeni engangizwani nokhonkotha ngithanda ukuhlala enyameni ngithanda ukuhlala enyameni
I'm a rapper, I pretender. AK music siyasebenza. Umlilo wama paper self-preparator. Since we go together. I'm a rapper, I'm a flex. 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 I'm a rapper, I'm a flex.
But you with me speak, we thought you just a singing nigga. Best dog is convinced a style is a shit. You keep her in younger guma bars uyanyisa. While they keep it 100 when you kinga ma clipper. Napa be minila banye spasha isitipa. We all know your girl wants me, ain't no secret. They say the bar is too heavy, let me try and pick it. Kuluma se Elis in Jazami pay a visit. I still run the hood, I'm the best they ever did it. Kalela I say crash if you still think I'm kidding. No multiple choices, no whose side you picking. Umchita always high but never on the road. Man need to drama yo, always on my zone. Umpaizele, you can see me on my peace mode. I swear I'm gonna have your girl doing me deep throat.
Let's go.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Move bitch, I'm on my way up, I'm on my way up. Get the fuck up in my lane, bitch, out of my way. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Move bitch, I'm on my way up, I'm on my way up. Get the fuck up in my lane, bitch, out of my way, yeah. This bitch is fucking up. Can't sit, move back, bitch. In the rope, bitch, ain't looking for it, not bitch. Move it. I got my nails, can't change you. I got the sauce, I can to you. I got the gun, like spray you. We too high, never landed. We too bad, don't try us. We been cut the niner. See the movie that I made. See the new movie that I made. I pull out the reckoning. I pull out the reckoning to make it look dope. See now, the copy up, because now. I'm trapping high, you don't believe her, that I'm a trapper. I'm coming through, I'm sliding through. They don't believe that I'm a trapper. I'm sliding through, I'm coming through. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Move bitch, I'm on my way up, I'm on my way up. Get the fuck up, in my lane, bitch, out of my way. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way up, I'm on my way up. Get the fuck up, in my lane, bitch, out of my way.
See demons in my eyes, tryna get a million. Shoot a gang, mama told me I'm a different. Ever since I was a child, I'm living every up now. This is how we do again, again and again and again. When enough goes, slip in the saga shit, with the angel and the demons. That's why I'm a dangerous. I smoke trees and I live. They can't see I'm on the line. I'm ready now. Stay down. Devil eyes will come like a rose. You wanna rap in a week? I'm to school now. I'm landing. Bitch, don't panic. I'm to school now. Bitch, don't panic.
I'm on my way up. Don't nigga fake nigga cause he will pay up. I don't wanna beat you. I know you're so bitter and sour and sweeter than Peter. Checking my nigga. I'm still and pushing and begging my nigga. So I need my privacy. Rack up the cash, we're killing Monopoly and sipping it properly. Pull up the smoke in it, Cassier. Bitches be calling me bossy and I wanna bang her like Hashi. When I say hella, she be like mama, look at that
ayike bafethu sekuphinde kwanjalo kwebafethu hayi okungapheli kuyahlola ke bafethu ke manje sesiyahamba ke bafethu ke ngitshele nje bafethu ingoma bengindlalela zona nje ezokugcina bafethu benginikeze uhistorian featurishe lapha uMWC 730 lapha phela kuyona itape yakho historian i-revelation the truth mfethu senesikhathi ayikhiphile mfethu ingoma isihloko sayo sithi mani wasekulandela yona futhi i-cave animal bethi cave trap because sizobabulala nge-cave trap ya into njalo kwasekulandela i-cave crew ethi siyasebenza lapho ya into njalo bafethu wasekuza lapho i-DM dope movement bethi I'm on my way njengoba nje nami ngisho ukuthi right now I'm on my way sesikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ke bafethu ke emva kolokho kwasekuza yena phela mfethu MLD mfethu ngishayela le ngoma yakhe engithanda kakhulu futhi nayo osho njalo ethi I'm on my way hayi njengamanje senzonikeza eyokugcina ke bafethu ingoma bafethu hayi sesiyahamba siphuma kanje bafethu hayi ngithi nisale kade sophinde sibonane khona lana kwiBantu Radio Africa 83.6 bafethu ngiyamthanda sophinde sihlangane same time same place bafethu wenihlezindlalela uhlelo lwethu bafethu sophinde sibonane bafethu ningakhohlwa ukuza bafethu phela studio sethu bafethu ukuthi sizoxoxisana nani mayelana music eyenzayo bafethu sibonisane lapha nalapha sikhulume bafethu street talk bafethu ithi bye bye siphuma kanje sure
siphuma kanje Second, Spuma kanje. Second, Spuma kanje.
Besibuka behleka besigxeka besisaphetha sashayina savela le ndaba basazonyela wena sina mansamilo le ndaba ngiyozobagxeka noma ungena sisithepha sala uphenule player hit freestyles adversaries and punchlines unenkani qedela ngo6 bullets we9 mami mic yaxwaya khiphani nyasaba nyabanda masefika mina nina nyabani mic ama headset nobody knows. There's who can't see rock in them shows. Newspaper pantos in the continue, then we talk each other, but I don't teach us. Akaba senza madola, nyaimba, punya ikaba, sashana, situbuka, mama weta, wala la wasada. Wala la wasada.
Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Second. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Second. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Second. Pumaganji, Pumaganji.
Get music in petale skin. Little brothers up in my chin. When we call this villain raging. Type of nigga we are the raging. Lucifer like we hack on the gym. Martin Luther man I have a trim. Put them lazy I'm dropping them him. But I can't buy it all this thing. Fully glad I'm full of tangy pim. The shit in case it's as a thing. Magum yama couldn't sense a thing. Kaluma make it than a slim. Sense of playing can it all this thing. Petty disc into an angry eye chill. I'm push got the thing I kick. Let a nigga ever feel me go grip. Super, we be running this shit.
I call my mentor, though he responded and rebel and invited Afro and what that's supposed to mean. No one celebrate, it was supposed to be motherfucker to begin this where the head you wanna be. Even if I'm rude, but I talk true. We know that the devil wish to fake you. I still don't believe that I change you. I'm trying to be real here, it's no right I hate you. I'm funeka sigle cipher. It's no right I'm picking the side. It's no right I hate people who rapping classes. Just I believe what the trapping demanding. I'm in a typical happy mood. So let your waiter to save the food. And let the barman to save the booze. Yeah, sus.
Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji. Pumaganji, Pumaganji.
Ban Radio Africa 18
Midnight, our record, baby.